AK's dad out here wilding. Anyway, so here's a contraption I made when I had a box truck in Arizona sideswipe me. Then he ran off. I actually had footage of it too. I showed it to the cops, but I can't find it. So I had to improvise with what I had on the side of the road. I got wrenches. I had some vice grips. I had so much going on, but fortunately, AK's got some parts here. It's Memorial Day. And everything's closed, obviously. So I can't go to Kenworth and just buy the parts. And I forgot, I was there the other day buying the hood latches right here. And I forgot to ask about these. So AK had his hood mirrors from his truck that he took off. Anyway, so it's got these brackets, one bracket here, and the other bracket's there. So this is how they look when you take them off, and right here they're adjustable. Here. Where's the other one? Oh. And then this will be the other one. So theoretically, should fit something like that, I think. And like this with the extendable one. So we'll see if I can extend the other one, and then we'll see what we can do with this one.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
This guy's down here taking all these U-bolts. It's moving a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, if it's going, it's good. It'll break.
You're crooked.
Okay, so it came off.
Well, so yeah. So basically, while he's doing that, I'll show you guys how those brackets turned out. You literally would never guess. Can you guess which ones are replaced? So yeah, now pretty sturdy on the brackets themselves, but this bracket here and that bracket right there are the ones my dad made out of copper for them, and it worked out pretty fantastic. So my dad's a master fabricator for both of us around here. So But yeah, that's basically what we're doing now. We're gonna take this shim out because I don't know. Did you tell them that you're trying? So basically, when he you have these shims on the where the springs are basically, and essentially when he aired down, that side over there is lower than this side. So this side sits kind of more up, kind of, if you can see right there. So, and what we're gonna do is take the shim out so it'll touch the ground when he airs out. So the reason why they have those shims is for the torque, essentially. So, but he just wants to take it out for the time being. So when you know, he airs out, he'll be all good. But later on down the road, he'll add the correct shim so it'll, you know, be even and all good. So yeah, I did quite a bit of stuff. Realigned his hood yesterday. I don't think he showed you guys any of that. We moved the hood this way. My dad helped us out. So what else did we do yesterday? Oh yeah, moved the bracket down. I got the footage on my phone, so I'll probably just send it to him. He can add it to his video. So yeah, now the hood itself doesn't really hit the bumper like it did, and now it sits perfect. So that's the thing with some of these bumpers, these you know, blind mount bumpers that you get at chrome shops. More than likely the name brand stuff like Lincoln Chrome, Valley Chrome, Roadworks or whatever are always gonna have the correct mounting brackets for the back. So this one we had to drill out different holes, so you know, we had a good amount of space between the hood. But for now, you can see how much room we got. Now before it was like really close. So, but I didn't record it.
Oh, I like that shit. Welcome to my channel.
It's the channel. Alright guys, so he ended up getting out the shim. This is basically what it looks like. It was in there like this, and yeah, it was pretty stuck in there, but we ended up hammering it out. It was stuck like right here in this thing. We just got to tighten it up, and then we'll be done. Once you just tighten everything back, and we're good to go.
Well guys, just when you thought the show was over, it's not. So we're still here in Jacksonville. I got a bad tire, as you can tell. I'm just playing, that's not mine. This tire back here is really gone. Well, it's not that it's gone, but it's just really starting to go. So it's not good at all. So I'm gonna replace that with a used tire, because you can't use a new tire with a used one. So when I get back to the yard, I'm gonna put all new tires. So that's where we're at with that. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see me, but, or how good you can see me, but we just got the new tire on, and then now we're just parked here. I'm parked actually right next to a main road. So parked here till tomorrow morning, and tomorrow morning we're gonna work on getting the load out of here. I don't know where I'm gonna go yet, so we'll cross that bridge when we get there, I guess. So now I got some time to kill. So I actually have a part here that I bought, I want to say a year ago. Actually, Trucker AK bought it, and it's been at his house since. So the last time I was at his house, I forgot to grab the part, and now that I went back, I made sure I got this stupid thing. So it's gonna tie up pretty much the whole dashboard apart once this is on. So kind of excited to get it on. I'm about to put it on and show you guys how it looks. So here's the packaging, and then we'll throw it on. So here she is. Those scratches, they're just the packaging, but you can tell it's it's been sitting in AK storage for a while. So as you can see, the dashboard, it's missing a piece right there. And yeah, so that should fit right in. Oh, there we go. I might do these in red if I can find like a red decal type of like Kenworth, whatever. I think there might be a piece that goes like over this, but anyway, so pretty much it looks a lot cleaner now, obviously, because I had a missing piece. And I have a buddy who made me one of these with the diamond stitching, pretty much. It's a panel that goes here, and it's all diamond tucked like that. And then the buttons, I buy the overlays, then I paint them red and I put on the dash. So essentially what I'm gonna do is when I get that piece, I'm gonna put it on and see how it looks. If I like it better, which I might, because you know, the buttons are gonna be red with the black leather, so I might put that here. And then there's gonna be a kick panel piece as well, and then that kick panel piece as well. So it should all fit in and look apart, you know what I mean? So so far loving how everything's come together. Not perfect by any means, but from where it's come from, I'm beyond blessed and thankful for the opportunity to mod an animal like this. So sounds great. Attaboy. Anyways, getting sidetracked. So I just want to say thank you to Trucker AK, to his dad, to his mom for the hospitality, for the food they made. They made some Bosnian food, and when you're on the road, you miss home style, you know, cooking stuff. So for the fact I got some stuff that I liked, and it was amazing. So I'm beyond thankful for knowing people like this, pretty much another family like mine on the other side of the country, 3,000 miles away. So people like that are really hard to come by, man, and I really connected with these people, and I'm beyond thankful. So I appreciate him and his family, and his dad. Actually, you know how dads are. His dad had all the tools and he helped me out. Pretty much did most of it. So the brackets, of course, just to recap, pretty much this bracket and that bracket on the driver's side over there, we were able to get some copper pipe. I was able to drill it, flatten it, cut it. You can't even tell the difference, but yeah, it is amazing. Came out good. So once I get home, I don't know if I'm gonna replace it. Honestly, it looks OEM, so unless it gives me issues or it gets soft and it starts like bending or something, because in the future the plan is to put just a Peterbilt style brackets, which are for Kenworths. Arroyo Customs makes them, so that's the plan for those brackets, just to kind of clean things up a little bit. And obviously what we do here is mod trucks, or this truck, so for entertainment. So if you can or would like to, and if you already don't follow my buddy Trucker AK, I will obviously leave his description below. More than likely I'll pin it in the comment. You can just click the link, go over to his page, tell him I sent you if you already haven't followed him, or if you don't know about him. He's got way more subs than me anyway. So speaking of subs, we're gonna be at 7K by the time I post this video, which is freaking insane. You guys, I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but it's beyond crazy how fast the channel has grown. And I appreciate you guys just for real for watching, and obviously Trucker AK for giving me a couple shout outs, and people from his page. If you're here from his page, I appreciate you guys a lot. just giving me a chance, you know, watching the channel, and it helps out, man. It helps out if you guys hit that thumbs up, and even if you hit the thumbs down, hey man, by any means, if you have to hit the thumbs down because you don't like something, please be my guest. No hard feelings. I'll just work on myself on making better videos for those of you who are, you know, not happy with anything. So with that being said, guys, make sure you follow Trucker AK, and if you're not already following me, follow me, or you know, you can always unfollow because my notifications will keep popping up. So yeah, guys, make sure you give them a follow, hit that thumbs up if you can. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, goodbye.